me ask you a question. Are you stuck with selling low ticket products and services, working so hard for such little returns? You sick and tired of seeing everyone else get so ahead and you're asking yourself, what do I need to do? What do I need to do? If that's you, let's have a conversation, because I want to show you why it's so much more easier to market and sell a 3K to 10K program than selling $200 or $500 products and services. Now, around 10 years ago, when I was a complete newbie, overwhelmed, frustrated with all the gurus, buying course after course, attending 2-hour, 3-hour, 4-hour long webinars, getting bombarded with emails. Back 10 years ago, when I was going through this phase, before I won these awards for 20 mil in just 3 years, before I was traveling around the world, before all of that good stuff that most people see today, I was actually struggling with marketing low ticket products, right? A lot of the times people see me and they think that I've got some special powers or I might be some sort of tech wizard, but far from it. What I do know is how to price my products so that I'm positioned to attract all the right clients and repel all the wrong ones. And that's what I want to talk to you today. So let's get straight into it. The number one mistake that I see coaches, consultants, authors, speakers, business owners, doctors, healers, therapists, financial planners, people that are trying to build a business online, okay, so 10 categories of people, is that they price their products way too low and they do not know how to package, position, promote, and present their offers in a way that commands a premium fee. And the reason why this is critical in today's day and age is very simple. Right now, on average, Facebook would charge $1 to $2 per click, right? Per visitor. If you are selling something for less than $50 or less than $500, let's keep it simple, right? You are categorized in something called the low ticket business model. Now, unless you have a great brand or you have millions of followers or you have a large email list or, you have a big business and people know you, right? Have you ever noticed that it's usually the famous people that are selling these $10 ebooks and these free plus book shipping funnels and all of this kind of crazy stuff? Have you noticed that? Right? It's not the average everyday Joe and Susan that are marketing their products for less than $500, right? Now, why is that? It's because when you're like a big influencer, a big guru, where you have 100,000 fans and 1 million Instagram followers and all of that stuff and 500,000 or 1 million YouTube subscribers, it's very easy to sell something because a majority of people will just come in and buy, right? Like if the price is right, people will just come and buy. So what tends to happen is the person who's somewhat new to the industry, they look around and they say, oh, I seen this guru do it. Oh, I seen this big seminar guy do it. Oh, I seen this guy on stage at a live event in front of thousands of people, and they sell, $500, $200 product, or they write books, so I should write books. But that's totally wrong. That's the wrong way of thinking. When you are starting up in business and you don't have consistent cash flow, maybe 20 to 30K a month consistently coming in, you must be focused on creating, marketing, and selling a high ticket program. Like, think about it. If you wanted to make an extra $30,000 a month right now, what's easier? Sell a $30 ebook with all of your best secrets and recipes and whatever, or just have 3 clients pay you 10K each, right? I mean, there's 2 billion people alone on Facebook. So pricing determines what kind of business you build, what kind of profits you make, the quality of client that you attract, and overall your quality of life, right? Like early on in my life, I realized that the 2 things that can determine the quality of my life and my business will be the profits, and that ideally comes from my clients, and the team and the people that I hire. And it was only then when I realized, hey, I do not want to be in the business of selling low ticket programs. Okay, now I shifted into high ticket. And this is why you must focus on, when you're starting a business, the best business model to start is not affiliate marketing, it's not drop shipping, it's not Amazon, it's not FBA, it's not any of these things most gurus tell you. It's actually taking your knowledge, your expertise, and turning it into a high ticket, 3K to 10K transformational program.